Alright, what's up with this family? I'm going to show y'all how I make my baked beans. These I have a lot of sugar. Some people use brown sugar, white sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Syrup, give me that mustard. Syrup, a lot of syrup. Well, this is how I make my baked beans. Mustard. Bro, you better put some big waters in that refrigerator. Mustard. Here, put that over there. And I'll find some hamburger to go in my baked beans. Actually, go give me them baked beans. Give me a spoon while you at it, please. So I'm frying my hamburger right now. They're right there. Here you go. I want you to pull out what's all up there. Open it. Girl, open that. So now I'm making the hamburger need to go in the baked beans. So not much ground beef. See? Okay. And I got my sausage over here. I'm gonna put in my pot for my casserole. So I just want that to get like a little, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna cut them up. They're done. Now we just need the hamburger meat. Not much. Take that off. This don't look like a lot, but pretty good, I guess. Other people use cinnamon too. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon in there. I want them beans to be so good. Probably ain't got no cinnamon.
Guys, I'm pouring the beans in, but as you guys know, I really love beans. These are the favorite. My favorite.
You want to make sure you get everything out of it. Nope. And you can go make sure them clothes up. Take them clothes and dry. You get off that clothes off that couch that belongs to you. You better go through those clothes and see what's on that couch that belongs to you. Or what you can do. I don't see no waters in this refrigerator. I don't see no waters. Twan, please come put some Fiji waters in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick a recipe of baked beans. So anybody trying to figure out how to make baked beans and you don't know how to cook them, boom, simple. You can get these type, you know what I'm saying? Whatever kind of beans you want. I like this because it's country style, but let me see that. Come on, let me see that. You doing too much. She be extra and be on that. And open it from one side, Taisha, not two sides and all that. Where you got to act like you're gonna cut your hand and all that stuff. Don't be doing all that extra. She be being extra. So this is 2 cans of baked beans. Okay, y'all. It about to be some waters in this refrigerator. This refrigerator about to be full with bottles of water. I'm telling you right now. Taisha, give me the baked bean, please. You taking too long opening. You're doing too much. Bring it here. It's too much. It's too much. Too much. Give it here. Simple. It's a can opener. This can opener costs me $20, so it's a good can opener. Boom. That's it. That's it. I don't know, all that you doing is irrelative. Done. Boom. Done. Simple. Boom. Tell your kids be getting on my nerves, boy. You do too much. All that extra she was doing for these cans. Put a little bit of water in that. Boom. Next can. Open. Can open. Place it on there. Boom. Pop it. Boom. Turn it. 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 Boom. Done. I said a little. What I'm talking about when they don't listen. See what I'm talking about? Boom. Tell Tiana to come put these cans in that bag. Okay, boom. Now I got the beans in there. I added a little bit of water just to make it, you know what I'm saying, a little thicker. Because I put a lot of sugar and I only have about 4 cans of beans. I don't have 5 like I did that was going to fill the pan up. Now my hamburger is done frying. I normally drain my hamburger, but what I learned about when you drain it, you take the flavor out. And I didn't season my hamburger, so I'm just going to add a little bit of, you know what I'm saying? You can put whatever you want in your hamburger meat, but I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning in mine. I like to wait till it's done so it get all the flavors and stuff. And you already know I'm looking for the garlic. I got to have garlic. I got to. So boom. There you go. Why would it be bad? You got to put it back in that refrigerator. You know it ain't bad. I just brought that milk. So simple way to make baked beans. Somebody don't know how to make baked beans, or boom. Like I said, I normally drain my hamburger, but I learned when I drain it, I take all the flavor out. So I just take it out like this. And this is going in my hamburger. So anybody trying to make baked beans and don't know how to, simple. I just gave you a simple recipe. Simple. Mustard, syrup, brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon. Simple recipe. And then the oil that I didn't drain off. It'll be right there. I'll place that to the side. Boom. Now I'll stir it up again, which I should be using a big spoon. But unfortunately I'm not. So as you see these baked beans, beautiful baked beans. Boom. And I don't put nothing over it. Now what I am going to show you I'm going to do, I'll put a little bit of syrup over it, give it that little pop, pop, pop. Kids get on my nerves. So yeah, boom. This is going right there. Put this in there. Put this in there. Boom. 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 Simple. Baked beans ready. Go in the oven. 350. Simple. You ain't got to do much. So somebody don't know how to make baked beans, boom. I just gave you the recipe. You can use what you want to use. And like I said, the little ingredient that I put on top of it to make it, give it that little brown sugar looking, I put a little bit more syrup on top, which is something that, this is what I do. It's on, you don't have to do this. This is what I do this, but this is what I like to do. And then of course, you know, I gotta add a little bit more cinnamon across it. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Because the meat take the flavor, so boom, that's it. Boom, your baked beans is ready, my love. 10 minutes video. All you need, baked beans, boom, boom, mustard, Boom, simple recipe. It don't take much to make baked beans. So if somebody try to tell you, oh, you gotta get eggs, you gotta do that. Girl, no you don't. It don't take all that. Boom, these baked beans are ready to go and cook. And then I'm gonna just place them in there. And I'm not gonna cook them quick because my event ain't finna start. So I'm gonna just put them on the 250 warm. I got my sauce cooking. Which I got my sauce cooking on the low. Now I gotta fry the rest of the hamburger. What we gonna do? Put that bitch over there. Put that off. Put that on the low. Boom. All done. Tiana, you need to come, check where's the rag. Give me that rag on the table. Here. Get all the cans put in that bag that you just had. Oh, simple recipe. Don't take much to cook. You need to put those grapes up. You need to put that water up. Here, Tiana. Put this in that bag, please. Boom. There's your simple recipe for baked beans. Now, don't say I ain't show you how to cook baked beans. I already told you. You need mustard, brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, syrup. And that's it. Your baked beans is ready. Go in the oven. You already know it's your girl Queen back with another video, giving you another recipe on how to cook something. Sometimes I don't give y'all my recipe, but I ain't gonna be stingy, you know what I'm saying? Because somebody might need to know how to cook. Boom. I just show you how to make baked beans. Don't worry about the background. Boom. It's your girl Queen back with another video. You is now tuned into the Harris family. Today is the Harris family. It's not just Queen. Today is the Harris family. We're cooking. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop the button below. Peace.